Old electric wiring is to blame for two large apartment complex fires this month. News Channel 5's Alexandra Cohen is live on DuPont Avenue, where the most recent fire happened. So both of the apartment buildings were older, Alexandra?
Yes, both were built in the 1970s, and according to a local electrician, a lot has changed since then. Jerry Bone isn't surprised that old electric systems are failing and causing fires like this one.
But the big thing I've seen in the older apartments is the aluminum bus bar and the panel burning up. And after, of course, after 30 years of service or more, and they've never been changed, and nobody thinks about them.
He says it's important for owners to have annual checkups by a licensed electrician.
But they do need maintenance. Even the switches and outlets, the connections need to be checked.
The Creekwood Apartments in Bellevue caught fire just over a week ago. They were built in 1971. The DuPont Avenue Apartments in Madison caught fire yesterday. They were built in 1976.
I have been doing it since 1975. Everything was inspected. Of course, now they have a lot better breaker for the bedrooms. They have an arc fault breaker that senses this arcing loose connection that trips off.
He says property managers aren't necessarily violating codes because when they were built, they complied.
They usually don't go back unless you take a permit on that building, and if it's years ago, I don't think they have, they don't have the authority to walk in and say, well, you need to update.
Bone says his company has worked on dozens of older apartment complexes across the mid-state to help prevent fires from happening.
Oh gosh, they're all over Antioch. A lot of them in Bellevue, and most of them have been converted to condos.
But now there are laws that require people to have smoke detectors, and inspections and codes have changed too.
There's more kitchen circuits, and overall, the electrical inspectors now are doing a lot more, thorough inspection than they did in the 70s.
According to the Nashville Fire Department, a fire marshal will be making rounds next week to inspect and check out electric systems at apartment complexes across Nashville. Reporting live in Madison, Alexandra Cohen, News Channel 5.